Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this fantastic Friday, the 6th. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm sure you're excited about the weekend being over like I am, or the weekend being here like I am also. But please don't check out early mentally, okay? We have a lot to do today like every day, so please get ready to focus, pay attention, take some notes, and be ready to listen to these announcements. Everything I say, you're responsible for. There will be a quiz next week. I'll give you more information on that next week. At this time, please turn in two assignments. The one from your book and the copying assignment. Now, if you were at the play last night, this is still due. I gave you the whole class period yesterday to work on it. I think I told Mrs. Duke said there'd be about 14 minutes, 15 minutes left on the homework video. So if any of you could not finish it last night due to the play, I told her to tell you, and I know that she did this. You must have a note to turn in from your parents saying that you did not have the 15 minutes to finish it. Okay? Alright, moving on. So please turn these in now. Make sure your names are on them. So stop and check and make sure your name is on your homework. Jonathan, you turned something in. You got it back. Today. I'm not sure what that was, so email me if you have any information on that. Incomplete. Let's see what we have here for track 2. Okay. All of these must be turned in today or they become permanent zeros. Okay. So here we go. Actually, the test corrections, those can be, if you didn't get them turned in yesterday, I will give you until next week to get those turned in, but all of these assignments must be turned in today or they're permanent zeros, period. So there it is. Okay. If Will's here today, he should have been listening to all the videos he's been missing. He's not contacted me or anything and told me that he could not. So all of these assignments here will turn to zeros if I don't get them today. Okay. And Dakota, again, your parents contacted me, told me you had this done. And if I've gotten that, I've not gotten that. If you haven't, let me know. Okay. I don't have that. And then Caleb, Brentley, Will, this assignment here, quiz, Will, by Monday, please. Okay, all right. And then task 4 corrections. 2 people turned it in. So instead of listing everyone's name out, you know if you turned it in or if you did not. So be sure and get that taken care of. If you miss one day or many days, it doesn't matter. The first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it unless you pre-contact me. So do not get behind when you're absent. Today we're going to be taking notes, okay? The video today is about a 5th way to prove that triangles are congruent. Now remember, we've learned 4 ways already. Side, angle, side, 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 angle, angle, side, and angle, side, angle. Today's method will deal with right triangles. The name of the teaching video is lesson 5.4. It's about 43 minutes long, but you're going to start it at the 2-minute 27 mark, so it's going to be about, 41 minutes long. Now I need to explain something about today's videos. Mrs. Duke, starting today, for the rest of the year, I use videos from 2 years ago. As you can tell, as the videos have progressed this year, you could hear my voice last year getting worse and worse, okay? Well, finally, when I hit lesson 5.4, I realized there was no way that I could continue. So, these videos we're going to start using today are good quality. They're great videos, nothing wrong with them. However, on these videos, I made announcements. Like, listen to me, guys. The announcements I'm making right now, you hear these announcements, I used to put those at the start of the lesson video. So that's why Mrs. Duke's going to fast forward the video to 2:27, because the first part of this video right here has all the announcements from 2 years ago. It tells them that quizzes are coming up and so-and-so, like Jasa or Azu or Jake Davis or someone like that, owes a quiz or a test or homework, whatever, and I want you to ignore that and just fast forward that, okay? So for the rest of the year, during these lesson teaching videos, if you hear me say something like, don't forget about your test tomorrow, or don't forget about your quiz tomorrow, just ignore that, because we're on a different schedule every year, different days of the week for different lessons. The only thing you're listening to on these lesson teaching videos is the notes, okay? So Mrs. Duke, from now on, I will tell you how long the video is, and I will tell you where to start it. So today, start the video at the 2:27 mark. Okay, all right, moving on. It'll be that way the rest of the year. Now, check Sycamore if you want to know how you did in the quiz from this week. I graded the others last night. Great job. There was one in the 40s. The rest were in the high 80s, 99s, 90s. Really good job. Okay, that's all for today, students. Please get started with your teaching video. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Oh, and by the way, if you do not finish this video, Mrs. Duke, if they don't finish it in class, they do not have to finish it over the weekend. Just make note, Mrs. Duke, of where they left off. And if I forget to tell you to do this on Monday, Mrs. Duke, just go ahead and start the video where you left off today, if that happens, okay? Alright guys, talk to you later.